What's up cruisers, I'm your Heels on Wheels Mini, a wild soul motorcyclist and हमारा आज का destination है CIT Jaipur. So the map is showing me the shortest route. Hello, short नहीं, route scenic होना चाहिए. Guys, I'm super excited. I'm gonna cruise through the historic lanes of Jaipur, going down memory lane on my all-new Xpulse 200T 4V. Coming up is my first stop, the breathtaking Hawa Mahal. Love its retro style beauty. By the way, it has 953 jharokas, जहाँ से royal ladies used to enjoy everyday street scenes and royal processions without being seen. चुपके से. अगर आज वो इन windows से देख रही होती, तो they would feel proud and amazed to see this lady riding this neo retro style beauty. है ना hot? After Hawa, how about Jal? So now we are riding to Jal Mahal. और इस पैलेस की खास बात ये है कि when you see it from the banks of the Mansagar Lake, ऊपर से it appears to have one floor, but actually there are 4 more submerged levels that we cannot see. Thank God, my Xpulse 200T 4V has this technology of turn-by-turn navigation that will help you to see more than meets the eye. Smart boy. Do you want to see my kind of view? Then let's ride to Nahargarh Fort. Sitting on the Aravalis, आपकी नजर पूरे जयपुर पे है. OMG, look at this spectacular view. One glance and you can tell all that's going on. Just like the console of my bike. Chalo, from great views to greater heights. Actually, I'm super excited to visit the magnificent Amir Palace Fort. Its artistic style, its aura, a perfect blend of style and art, just like my bike. और इसका powerful engine काबिले तारीफ है. It makes the incline feel as easy peasy and breezy as the rest of my journey. What an awesome ride through the lanes of Jaipur. Guys, now I want you to meet the people who have made this ride so awesome. So let's say hello to our experts, Harsh and Lincoln. Harsh, the Xpulse 200T 4V has stunning looks for sure. पर इस looks के पीछे thinking क्या है?
So thinking ये है that since this is from the Xpulse family, it gets that explorer and adventure DNA. What this basically means that anyone can ride it almost anywhere. What sets it apart from its segment is its neo-retro look and that raw metal appeal. It's designed to have a front-heavy look with a compact LED headlamp, fly screen and fork bellows. And all of these changes are complemented by a dual-tone paint job which extends from the bodywork right till the engine. And this gives the bike a customized paint job look. We believe it's gonna be a head turner for sure.
And Lincoln, the Xpulse 200T 4V makes any kind of road feel smooth like butter. So tell us something more about its performance and the engineering side.
The 200cc 4V engine comes with a modified and improvised version of transmission. We have designed the gearbox in such a way that you can rev up the engine without any stress in lower as well as higher cruising RPM to make every journey smooth as makhan.
So when it's